Well, we're about to go do something that you've never seen us do before. Hello, my name is Ben, and welcome to Hoosierback Outdoors. It is great to see you here. I'm glad you stopped by. If you're new here, don't forget, smash that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. Click that notification bell. That way you're notified every time we post a new video, and you won't miss out on any of the contests or any of the giveaways that we do here on the channel. I finally got a kayak, and we're gonna go try it out and see how it works. I'm gonna put the chest camera on, and we're gonna take this thing for a spin. And while I'm there, I'm gonna take my fishing poles with me. Stay tuned. Okay, let's pull this bad boy down to the water and get in it. Oh, there's a real shallow spot over here where this beaver run. I'll put in right here. The water's really clear today. That could be good. Set my butt down in there. This could be interesting. Oh yeah. Well, we're in. My camera situated here. Let's take a rip. Not too bad. Get my feet situated up here. Let's throw the rod around. I've got the clickbait hooked up here. Let's see what casting in this thing's like. Gonna have to get me a lanyard for this paddle. Otherwise, I have a feeling I'm gonna be losing it. Throwing the clickbait around while we're out here floating. headed into the wind. It would help if the wind wasn't blowing. By the way, if I haven't mentioned, this is a Lifetime Teton Angler. Very inexpensive, and yet the seat, I am really liking this seat. This seat's way more comfortable than I expected it to be. I'm going to turn here and get out of the sun. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, I'm not totally comfortable with it yet, but for now, it's pretty sturdy. And it's going to turn me sideways right into the sun. I am extremely uncoordinated in this so far. I got a lot to learn as far as coordination with this. Definitely a lot to learn. There we go. We did it. Well, let's get out of here and tell you what we think about it without dumping ourselves out. Let's see if we can get out without sending the boat. Oh yeah. Yeah. We did it. Nice. Well, we got it done. We didn't get too muddy. Didn't dump ourselves, so that's good. The sun dropped down behind those trees there, and it got chilly pretty quick, especially with the wind blowing like it is. I did notice one thing. I need to practice in the wind because I'm not very good in the wind, especially fishing in the wind. It looks like I'm gonna need to get me a small anchor too. And the wind's blowing now. You can probably hear it in the microphone. I'm sorry about that. So I guess this is a nice little review of this kayak. It's a Lifetime Teton Angler. Sorry about the dirt bike in the background. Somebody's having too much fun. But it has some rails on the side, as you can see, to put extra things. I already have a few ordered that are coming in. Most notably a GoPro mount, so that'll be much handier. It also has this very nice, comfortable seat on it, which I'm very happy with. So we're looking forward to using this summer. I guess you can call this a review of the Lifetime Teton Angler. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. It would be much appreciated. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. We'll see you guys later.